have two components to the forecast this morning, and both are a big deal because this morning we're dealing with the bitter cold, and by tomorrow we're going to be dealing with some winter weather advisory. So we'll start with your weather headlines. With those single-digit wind chills, you have to bundle up this morning. Afternoon temperature is going to struggle to reach freezing, and when you factor in the wind with it, we're going to feel like we're stuck in the teens for most of the day. That winter storm is arriving by Saturday afternoon, and we're going to time it out for you so you know exactly what to expect and at what point in the day. And accumulating snow for portions of the area. Now, we could see at least an inch or so with the city. We're looking at all the different models, and most of them saying, yeah, you probably could see at least an inch before that rain washes it all away. So with the temperatures right now, we're in the teens and 20s. We still have those winds out there. Not as bad as yesterday. We're below advisory level, but look at these wind chills. It feels more like 7 degrees in East Fishkill, 6 degrees in Yonkers. It feels like 15 in the city, Bayshore, Seabright. Everybody feeling it everywhere across the tri-state, so you have to bundle up. These are very dangerous wind chills that we're going to be dealing with throughout the day. Noticing the relatively clear skies, though. These winds, though, still funneling in some of those very light flurries. They're called streamers coming down. So you may notice it mainly to the north and west. These won't accumulate to anything, but you may notice it outside. Don't sweat it. We're not worrying about snow for today. This area of high pressure, this Canadian high pressure, it's a big area of high pressure that's scooting into the region. Behind it, you have this winter storm that's tracking across the country right now, and it will reach to us by Saturday. Today, it's nothing but sunshine, but a very cold sunshine at that. Sunglasses added to the look of the scarf and the hat and everything else, and the gloves. But today's going to be quiet for the most part. Winds will start to calm down by noon, and you'll really start to feel them ease out by overnight. Saturday morning, you wake up with some clouds out there, and I think you're going to get at least a good part of the morning where you don't have to worry about any precipitation. But this is a look at 12:30. This is when we'll start to see likely that snow coming into the city, and then it sticks with us through 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and then we start to notice a quick shift over, especially in the coastal sections, because this area of low pressure is picking up warmer temperatures. So as it does that, it's a quick change over to rain, and noticing by 8 o'clock, we're still seeing some rain showers over the city and Long Island. Some areas are going to stick to snow north and west, which is why you could see higher accumulations outside of the city. But by Sunday morning, it's looking like things really start to quiet down, and by Sunday, it's all about the wind. We do have these winter storm alerts out there, so noticing most of the region. For the boroughs, it's just Manhattan and the Bronx that are included into that winter weather advisory. This means that you need to be very careful. If you can avoid traveling on Saturday, I think you should stay inside until a lot of the snow passes, because you could have those slick conditions and you need to plan for it.